Hello everyone, today we will be solving an ages word problem from grade 8 mathematics. So let us start. So here the problem is that I am currently 5 times as old as my son. In 6 years time I will be 3 times as old as he will be then. What are our ages now? So here we will go statement by statement. So currently means that we are talking about the present situation. I am 5 times as old as my son. So let's write down what is the situation in present. So I am 5 times as old as my son. If my son is x years old, so father will be 5x. 5 times. In 6 years time. So what will happen in future? That is after 6 years. I will be 3 times as old as he will be then. So, but let's see what will be if the present age is x. After 6 years, the son's age would be x plus 6. And the father's age would be 5x plus 6. So, I hope this much is clear that after 6 years it would be 5x plus 6 and son's age would be x plus 6. Now, let's read the next. What is given that after 6 years, in 6 years time means after 6 years. I will be 3 times as old as he will be then. So now the son is x plus 6 years old and father is 5x plus 6. So let's see. Let's try to make an equation. The father's age is saying I will be 3 times as old as he will be then. So he is x plus 6. So this becomes our equation. So now what we have to do is we have to solve this equation. So first let us solve the brackets. So what do we have to do? We have to multiply with this 3 with x and 6. So let's solve it. Left hand side would remain the same and this side will become 3x plus 18. Now let's collect all the constants on one side. So I am taking 3 to the other side, and because I am taking 6 to the other side, and because 6 is being added here, so it's going to get subtracted when it goes to the other side. So here it is. I am also going to shift this 3x to the other side. So it's going to be 5x minus 3x is equal to 12. So becomes 2x is equal to 12. So I get x now. If twice of x is 12, then x will be 6. So here we have got the value of x. That is, if I say I've got this x, that means I've got son's present age. That means the son's present age is, they are asking what are the ages now. Now means in the present. So son's present age is 6 years. And father's present age is 5 times 6, that is 30 years. So I hope it is clear. We can also use ratio to solve this question. So now you can see again the question. I am currently 5 times as old as my son. So that means at present the ratio between the son and the father and the son is 5:1. And what happens after 6 years? The ratio becomes 3:1. Now here we need to remember one thing, that the difference of ages always remains the same. See, if your brother is 2 years old and you are 6 years old, so what is the difference? It's 4. Next year your brother will be 3 years old, you will be 7 years old. The difference again remains the same. Next year you are 4 years old, he will be 8, so difference remains 4 years. But the ratio, look at the ratio. Ratio is 2:6, 3:7, 4:8. So ratio keeps on changing, but the difference of ages always remains the same. So what we are going to do here is we are going to use this concept only. Now look at present. At present, what is the difference? The difference is of 4 blocks. Here the difference is of 2 blocks. So can I have to make this also 4 blocks because the difference has to be the same. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply this ratio by 2. So you will see now the difference will be, now what is the difference? Difference is of 4 blocks. So difference remains the same. So here also the difference is of 4 blocks, and here also the difference is of 4 blocks. At present the ratio is 5:1, and after 6 years the ratio will be, which we have multiplied by 2, 6:2. Now just look at the difference. Difference is also same. 1 block, 1 block. And we know that this has happened after 6 years. So we know 1 block is equal to 6. So 5 blocks will be equal to 6 times 5, which is 30. So what do we get here? This is 6 and this is 30. So at present the father's age is 30 years and the son's age is 6 years. So I hope this ratio method is also clear to you. If you have any queries, you can write in the comment section.